Hey Thunderbirds, here's how to properly use a mask. Before putting on a mask, clean your hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. While wearing a mask, cover your mouth and nose. Make sure that there are no gaps between your face and the mask. Avoid touching the mask. If you do, clean your hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. And replace the mask with a new one as soon as it's damp. Do not reuse single-use masks. To remove a mask, remove the mask from behind using the strings. Do not touch the front of the mask. If you're wearing a disposable mask, discard the mask immediately in a closed bin. If you're wearing a reusable mask, wash it daily by putting it directly into the washing machine using a hot cycle or wash it thoroughly by hand. Allow it to dry completely before wearing it again, and clean your hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water.